Speechmatics Audio Service Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get speech-to-text services wrong. They assume accuracy is limited to English or that they require extensive setup. The surprising truth about Speechmatics is that it supports dozens of languages, offers high transcription accuracy, and you won't believe how quickly it can convert audio to text in real time or batch processing. Here's how it works. Speechmatics uses AI-driven models to process audio files or live streams, converting speech into accurate text. It supports multiple accents, punctuation, and timestamps, making transcripts suitable for meetings, captions, or data analysis. For example, a multinational company can record a virtual meeting with participants speaking different languages, and Speechmatics can transcribe each language accurately for documentation and accessibility. Most people get this wrong. They think speech recognition is error-prone, but Speechmatics consistently delivers high-quality results. Additional features include API integration, real-time streaming, custom vocabulary, and analytics. Users praise its flexibility, ease of use, and accuracy even with challenging audio environments. However, there are considerations. Pricing can increase for large volumes, and extremely noisy recordings may require cleanup. Most people assume AI transcription is flawless. Manual review is still recommended for critical documents. In conclusion, Speechmatics is ideal for businesses, content creators, and researchers who need reliable, multilingual, and accurate transcription services. Subscribe for more honest reviews of AI and audio tools.